Okay, guys, it's a Saturday. We're just kind of milling around here. If you notice, I'm not really dressed for work, but we've been going over a lot of the stuff on the Bronco, and we come to find out that we have to put the 2-inch body lift kit so that the back transmission tunnel, you can see, will clear. As of now, we've got a lot of room. We're good. We got it in the right spot, and we're waiting on the actual custom-made motor mounts. So that's kind of what we're up to today. We're still sanding on the Roadrunner. You can see where we've redone that part there, and we've redone this part here. So we're in good shape. She's coming along. She's filthy right now, but she's definitely going to be primed and ready to go by this coming week, hopefully before the holidays. I'm shooting for that because we have the okay to go a little longer, but it's a personal thing. I'm a weird individual. We're still trying to sell this beauty right here. It's a 400 Pontiac. It's either from a 76 to an 80. We haven't exactly put our finger on it yet. And then we're actually getting closer with the 307 that's going in the Plymouth, the Ghost Rider car. And as you can see, I got a lot of cleaning to do. Holy crap, this place is a freaking mess. That's because we took the wall down. But it's so much better. We got plenty of room. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, guys, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys come Monday.